India is a very diverse country. At the same time, diversity brings a lot of opportunities. That's how we have looked at it. Whether it be Awaaz or Indus, of course, we happen to see these two these two great organizations, only because we found that there was a problem out there. Because that was originated all because of the different diversities that we have in the society. And how do we address that? India is young, in terms of the median age that we have. And we also see a new generation coming up, which is rather more competitive, wants to be ahead of the edge, and wants to lead in every way. This demographic difference, by age or maybe culturally also, is actually a big opportunity for all the content creators out there, who can have a very curated and a very kind of focused content being created for all this specific user set. It becomes really important that we also, how do we cater this entire content that is being created digitally? And for that, I think Indus plays a role for bringing that kind of content to the user in the language that they wish to. So I think culture is pretty much a part of our living. I think it cannot be eliminated. We have to ensure that the culture is respected in all its way, understanding not only the culture but the linguistic differences that we have into a particular culture and geography, and work out solutions which can be driven through technology, and language solutions can actually make wonders, help startups to grow.
My favorite quote from all of my 5 years of management study is "Culture eats strategy for breakfast" by Peter Drucker. Culture is a collection of symbol, our norms, our beliefs. It's all comes to form culture. For example, when let's say you're sitting in your sofa and some elderly person comes to your home, could be neighbor. What do you do?
I just say, "How are you?" I mean, I don't.
We also stand up, don't we? When there yeah. So that's culture. Okay. Globally, for example, hamburger is the most selling for McDonald's, but in India we don't have it. We have aloo tikki, we have paneer, spicy paneer.
Maharaja Mac.
Veg Maharaja.
Yeah.
Or look at IKEA. IKEA as a company is known for self-assembly. That's their philosophy. In fact, there is a term called IKEA effect, which says people like IKEA products because they are putting efforts to assemble it themselves. So it's very dear to them, right? Because I've got that furniture, right? But in India, that's not the case at all. They are a global leader in supply chain, do it yourself, whatnot. In India, they deliver it to your home and they also assemble it for you. This comes because they deeply understand how Indians behave, what is our culture. We don't have the culture of do it yourself, which is very European or very American. Here we have excess of labor. There is somebody to do everything for us. We have. I have, for example, 2 different chartered accountants. One for GST, one for my IT. I'm not talking about office. I'm talking about my personal.
I know. Right? I know the pain.
Yeah, but if you're in the US, you tell somebody that you pay $5 for a software and they can do their taxes, they'll be very happy to do it. Back to a simple Awaaz example, Hindi is so big, 500 million people speak it, right? It must be fairly easy to create. Not at all. East UP is so different from West UP, just within one state. I mean, UP is as big as Indonesia. So to begin with, Rajasthan, the Mewar accent is very different. For example, those people appreciate our show called Maharana Pratap, whereas UP, some parts of UP appreciate Manto and Munshi. Within Hindi, there are so many dialects. In Madhya Pradesh audience appreciate something else. We have Rahat Indori. Before I give you back the mic, Anand, one simple example. In English, when how culture comes to play is translation versus transcreation. So when you put culture into your mix, you have to recreate it, then translate. The simplest example you can remember is in your phone. It's okay to say in your phone book or in your dialer, it's okay to say last call, which essentially means the person you dialed lost. You translate it as Antim call in Hindi. It's
let's not.
Yes. So you cannot translate stuff. So meaning is very different. So you need to transcreate. by paying attention to the cultural signals. So I hope I answered this question.
Yes, you have, and that brings me to a funny anecdote before we move on. Is that I lived in Chennai for a bit, and I was talking to them about ye dekho ye Alexa hai, this is Google listening, this is Alexa, this is Google Voice, and I was like, you can start your lights, this and that, and my friend was from Saukar-Pet, he's like, oh, Ramu does that all of that for me, and I'm like, makes sense. I mean, why not? I mean,
Yeah.
yes, there is excess of labor, and you need to customize, for India.